Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through installing Python, setting up Sublime Text and running your first Python program. So let's get started. First open your browser and search for Python. Click on the first link which is a python.org, the official Python website. Once you are on the website, go to the download section. Here you will see an option to download Python for Windows. In my case, it shows Python 3.13.1. Just click on it to start the download. Now the download has started. Let's wait for it to complete. Once the download is complete, double click on the file to open the installation wizard. In the wizard, you will see options like install now and customize installation. Make sure to check the box for add python.exe to path. This is very important to add python.exe to path. Now click on install now. The installation will begin. Once the installation is complete, click on close. To check if Python is installed correctly, open your command prompt. Go to search bar, type cmd and open it. Now in the command prompt, type python ---- version. And press enter. If you see Python version displayed, that means Python is successfully installed on your PC. Now let's set up an IDE to write our first program. For a beginners, I recommended using Sublime Text Editor. It is simple and easy to use. Now again open your browser. Go to the search bar and type Sublime Text. Open the official website sublimetext.com. Now just go here and click on download for Windows to start the download. Once the download is complete, double click on the setup file to open the installation wizard. Confirm the installation location. I will keep it in C drive and click next again. Here you will see an option like add to explore menu. You can skip it if you don't need it. Just click next. Now the installation is complete. Click close to finish. Now open your Sublime Text Editor. Now here it is saying update notification. You can cancel them for now. Now go to file section, go to file, new file to create a new file. Now write your first Python program. Let's say I want to print a hello Python. Then we have to write a function, print function. then hello Python. Next, save your file, go to file again, go to save as, choose a location and create a folder if needed. Save the file with a name like hello.py. You can give any name, but at last make sure to include the .py extension with your file name. Now go to tools, go to build system and here select Python. Here it is saying to choose a language. I am using Python, so I have to select a Python. To run your program, you will need to set up a build system. Now to run your program, use the command. It is for Windows. Use the command Ctrl+B to execute your code. Now you will see in your console hello.python is printed. That means our setup is working fine. Now let's try multiplication. 5 into 5. After that again type Ctrl+B. Now you can see 25 is printed. That means program works fine.